There is like one link I say actually Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Tangkhul Naga Film Association presenting you the GNFA Award 2020, which is for the first time.
We are indeed honored by the presence of our Chief Guest, Sri Awungpao Nyumai, the Honorable Minister, Forest, Environment and Climate Change and Sericulture, Government of Manipur. Along with him is our guest of honor, Sri Leishio Keishing, Honorable Chairman, Hill Area Committee, Government of Manipur, and Functional President Sri Kushim Bashum, Member of Legislative Assembly 45 Chingai AC. I am Mr. Ningsem Kashak, and with me is my co-host, Ms. Shanting Shaiza.
And to open this event, I would like to welcome a famous artist, Tangkhul artist, on stage, and he's none other than Thanre Varingnau. He'll be presenting us with the song titled Maila. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Thanre Varingnau on stage. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. This is my original song, which is called Maila. Maila na mi rin pa qui mi de kama devarena in juk temsak Maila li ki banan ji hansan kana mi Maila sharda Maila shar kapo awo ai nawi Maila ajiva zimi tata hor haire nawi Maila ajiva zimi tata hor haire Sing, show, sing, to na do, aze, hor chan riga hai, lui ram ngashan, vata, adoli, ning chi e masot se, pa ning hungai, awo ai, ki na run ra, na wi. Maila shar kapo awo ai nawi Maila ajiva zimi kata hor haire nawi Maila ajiva zimi kata hor haire. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The song talks about how our forefathers burned the pine wood, which has natural oil in it to give light to do our daily chores. I'd like to call upon Aso Luitui, the veteran actor, to pronounce the invocation. Aso Luitui to pronounce the invocation.
Noi lu commission le shu mangai na simic show li tenfa association na program sa khai angari atam jing usung hau da tacham taramai na sa khamya tam hi na sam ho zek wa ni she a je me show hi tha we amari ung sung heli or mi khwai sa heli Tangkhul lui ram ri le da hlei ram nau bi sai ko ru we awa wa sa da hlei oja le shio kala ichung me oja khashim ram nau bi chi we ma shun ma khui customary law itum ne da sa sai ka ji hi cinema drama hen la itum na ka chung ka ji thei chli itum identity chung ka sho sang sek me jiling a soda achi awang bao ni mai na Naga go ho we higta was shong za hili ka dong ngai the population mi de atomin khop khyang ka sa da Tangkhul Naga Film Association hu wangai da ichum le ka do mi la ga ichum mu yur cha thi ma tha mai da mu shung mai da yur cha khang dai bi ring han shap khawai da awa wa sa da hle ya akhawa khrei ngam bin ra he rang jan bi da sai ko hi thel ga rani ni she ichum mu shun horse khai ngarak sak khai chi shong za jali itum na sa shop da ichum le a cha la khwai na ka sa khwa bi rana tun mi ka haya machon mi ka haya osa kasamari lo kalai chum shong za sai ko ru chi itum na shong da sa khisha khwa yu bang da achi chimik show itum na hiwi ringa pha phani kuyon da le o ri ra razan da haya sai ko ru hinna ning chuk sang ming ram laga itum shong za hi khama shunga ka ka shunga khamaringa association ga sada Tangkhul ram wang ma tha me kap ksia dar ar sam me kap ksia now thop na thod wang ran sam mi gi ja tam na sa sak milo da chang sa sani I to me function hi pro na ha bok tang chang milo a chi si make sure tin fa we li le da khaya now shna be sai ko ri na ngra ye sa ka ye li mung shung ma shung sar la ran rum shan mi da shung ma shung milo razan ga ye officer bin ADC bin kala officer bin kala hiri dai da ram now bin kran now bin sai ko long now bin razan da sai ko ri la na na rum mi da program in da ha bok da ka na na chang mi ro da itu mi jihan khawai itu mi ka sa khawab ri ra sa sa bang sa ka tang khawai ya pro shi kristo wi ming sing da ka singale ka sa khawab ra bam li sia sa ji ka tale lum shan da ka khoi mi lo amen
Ning shlak hai re kia shikngia ishi ocha aso lui tui nana re we so kami as we program hili po kami wabang na ning shade. Thank you so much Mr. Aso Lui Tui for invoking God's choice blessing for a program. Now moving on towards the program, we have welcome speech from the President TNFA Tangkhul Naga Film Association. So I would like to request Mr. Jingya Chaung to take his time.
Thank you, dear host, for giving me this very good time. Very, very good morning and warm welcome to everyone. My name is Jingya Chaung, and I, on behalf of Tangkhul Naga Film Association, want to express our gratitude for your coming and gracing this very ceremony. It was a dream. It was just a dream of Tangkhul Naga Film Association to help this kind of platform to honor, to recognize the outstanding talents. But it was just a dream. But fortunately today, by the grace of God, our dreams turns into reality, because we have got so many noble and generous political leaders, high-ranking officers, so many social activities to help this kind of platform to honor, to recognize the outstanding talents. But it was just a dream. But fortunately today, by the grace of God, our dreams turns into reality, because we have got so many noble and generous political leaders, high-ranking officers, so many social activities to make this program successful, who helped behind to make this occasion very successful and a memorable one. I want to acknowledge them to each and every one of you. And in the meantime, I, on behalf of Film Association, wants to welcome President, Vice President Shin Long and colleagues, Music Forum, Tangkhul Music Forum President and colleagues, Student Union President and colleagues from fourth zone, and Chairman and colleagues from Long Pang, and all the directors, producers, actors, friends, and well-wishers of Tangkhul Naga Film Association. First of all, may I call upon our donors, and please come and receive our token of love as a memory. We have prepared our presentation. So first of all, I will call upon Sir Paul Winau, who is the working president of Manipur MSU. For his contribution, we have prepared a presentation. So would you please come and receive our memory piece. So, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And secondly, Sir Wizope, very sorry he's not with us. And, sir is there. Thank you. Sir Wizo Radley, sir, actually, Mr. Host. Sir Wizo. They are the donors. They are the responsible person for this success. And thirdly, H.A. Varesha, Honorable Member UADC. So would you please come? And fourthly, Sir Kapampam Simik, Honorable Member UADC.
Check. Hello. I would like to request the dignitaries receiving the memento to pose a leader for the photographers. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for the supplement. And followed by Sir Ngamsung Hasu, Honorable Member UADC. And again, Sir M. Isaac, Honorable Vice Chairman UADC. Sorry, it's not with us. And followed by V.L. King Hor, Honorable Member UADC. Followed by Sir Baoting Wishum, Honorable EM UADC. Sorry, he's not with us. And Todrin Jan Zero, Social Worker. Sorry. Sir Ramshan Kapudang, Honorable EM UADC. Sorry. Dr. Yaron Somanlung, Chairman UADC. Sorry. Maybe he's busy for his special day. He has a wedding tomorrow. Anyway, Sir Akwi El Shimri, Manager, MSPDCL Group Division. Sorry. Last but not least, YL Ravin, social activist, the one who donates all the souvenirs for awardees. Sorry. So, by this, let me continue again. I want to give one memento each to our jury. So, first of all, may I call upon Sir Samson Gasar, the Chief Jury, to receive our token of love. Samson Gasar. I saw him. Okay, anyway, to be continued, Tocham Shaiza, jury member, who is also the president of Okru Working Journalists. And followed by V.R. Wilson, jury member. V.R. Wilson, sorry. Sir Nashanbam KYS, jury member. Our juries spent 3 nights and 3 days in a hotel watching 9 nominated movies from different production houses. And after that, we want to thank our Marison Entertainment Production for video coverage in this occasion. So please come and receive your memento. Video coverage, Marison. And followed by Things Florist. There is a beautiful girl who decorated this hall. Sorry, maybe she's busy outside. Thank you. And I want to thank and give one memory each to our loving and dear host. So please come up and get your memory, please. 4 of you, just company. For all of us, this is just a beginning, but it is a very sweet beginning. So, Tangkhul Naga Film Association wants to preserve our good social behavior, our rich cultural tradition, whatever our forefathers were practicing. So, please to continue your love, support, and encouragement, so that our dream, our endeavor will never end up in desperation, but we will shine, we will develop, and people will come to know our culture through Tangkhul Naga Film Association, through filmmaking. So once again, thank you very much, and a warm welcome to every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much to the President, TNFA Chinya Chawung, for the elaborate welcome speech and the presentation given. I now would like to give the time to our guest of honor, Shri Leshio Keshin, Chairman HSC Government of Manipur, for his short speech, which will be followed by a speech from the functional president.
respected chief guest, Hita interruption ni mering falak jidla mutuyure jaga. Gari speed ta chatlingai da khamba gumni. Adabu ya sigo ma bige the speed khamba si ya.
Na muk nami tung kimo.
Honorable Chief Guest Sri Awangbo Ningmai and my dear elder brother, Honorable MLA Sri Wasum Kusim Wasum, and all the VIPs gathered here, especially the film fraternity of this Tangkhul. First of all, I give my salam, respect, everything to get this opportunity to speak in front of all these dignitaries. And especially I give thanks to the Tangkhul Naga Film Association to call us and to give me this opportunity to be here. And first of all, I apologize to those who are non-Tangkhul speakers. I would rather speak in Tangkhul, which is more handy to me. So I hope our honorable chief guest will not mind. Rimpai hita I hau pok kwena I cinema kaji film kaji hidi promo changai la kena kule san. Iwi obviously just small iwi that take kuyaga in the iwi mirinli shok kaita aga aghang. In the Delhi li ot sa kajang. Iwi obviously mi aga jang sai ai. Ajagi jakshi lagjidu. Ajagi thada khayangli mi hi thada khayangli kata hangra. Khayang mang le duimam duirang la ali associate masala la. Duimam duila sao khang ai ba sid la hi. Ma dui shok ka thamra. Khayang mang le la hi thada ngapi khang ai ba sin no. Ajagi thada guru the sa khayang le la khing le thada araj mam shungila. Ka ma duila associate sa ga ai mi phamai dui later on, in the Gata Tegra, are Hindi cinema or are South Indian cinema, are Bhojpuri cinema, are villain we roll quick, Bablu Dokrags Baji. G. Asas, you officially jungi. Adam Madame the Shiman cinema Kanamwe, are we short queer jigger? Shooting will learn that I said, Hilly in the hang about film or Hitawe, cinematography. It gives opportunity to all who are handsome, smart, and even to those Zakasi. Yaro is hungry, Zatla, Shimdilla, Kigla, Yaron Malawi, Kigla. Jiwa atam le la ya tada mina mang han li gi jimi tada matcha nag ji jiwi role lang wa ji lung shilawli comedian the best comedian khu kholi lai sar gi ki ga ma sa fa mai shung ga bam li or jingin lam li ma arui winter atam li mai sa la ga khu kholi ji li This is the only platform where everyone can be accommodated. accommodate sabai zila ka idum azu tangkhul we society li ki le gra jiga even if I'm gifted talent le we never try to be professional massage professional jiga we need practice we need constant efforts we have to give interest le migizla idum ning le jangizla ning ma jangrer jack of all trade massage sadak le jile ko tong ma ba sage adang ina gahang bablu dogra later on he has to resign from the office ina lang sansak en hang jile dogra ji na hiliki sak bangre this is not your talent this is not your interest you cannot give your whole time whole time ma mirror le na hili what sak si cinema wanam gasi hidal sadak le mo ungdam a juwai laga South Indian way famous villain bablu dogra ji ta sada atama gali ji office li jang sa ajagli anga thada ina hangjina da thada makhui khai ma le ji he is a very soft spoken in reality li aina picturize ka sa je ne reality jinga kai khang ngai de ngai khar ji ka je develop sakhui ji our test jili our interest jili yun thuya wa jili idum machila maning mina hiwa like jingya amring pham sa ba amre politics wa ka jat ka jiga maning hi tan fa wa ka jat sa hiwa like ka bili la jang sa in ali kiglo samning this is the right time to be professional in the gang the jingya al issue president jili this is the right time to be professionalized I film ni jatu ka film ni pura jatau ki mara khali lai la ka pisara lai publish hagis ne de lai sing le yu le ra sara our political party meeting lu ba kha chiri lam apam sara example is oja number che tine mu oja number anamak jang apam akhangra everywhere he is omnipresent in every field gifted he is gifted in ali he gangi so guys one day during 2001 TNL ground hili program ma khale jidla surprise halak jidla jidu program asal ga khudakli stage lega la compose hal sa ka sa that much he got talent but idum tada in individual aming singa the mring pham sam he tada relevance has in tada sing queen talent khlai bingji it chaw talent jili I cannot practice many talents practice ka chungas wasa talent khlai ji ka chunga was jack of all trade never goes further jen आज in hang mai power sada khlai jili iwi most interest khle apam jili yun thuigi jan jili professionalism expert jili idum hi khigla jili idum professionalism ji we touch ji basa ka idum success are I have seen and watched few of the Tangkhul films film ka chungal mayang na mali matik khayang lang wai in many of the Tangkhul films professional touch also e kayangli oh he was mayai kaji e mathiran many films I have seen Hindu especially Hindu speak the cinema kanamili they use multi-purpose most of the Hindu ye chiktaji athum le rekha athum frequently masam da athum cinema jwena moral value of life chichilitam khuing rock surgeon for them it is a must to watch the film jena cinema ga khanam hili how phokli da the orientation ji yang khwa dam di villain bana hero bing jili ari Atuna rekrepum shon re ki sal at the end kamthabaji yui laga atang saksar de at the end agatangli why kibangra jiga the good always prevail and prevails high and agatangli good big jig sad at the film society that Tangkhul film hida association siamra simang lamning society ka chunga siam de le khangdai la we la khangdai we la culture we aduda siamra idum we ningrin hiwa khamasungji adang ina ga hangda idum na cinema ji yang la what can I pick ina ki pick samai ina ki jiwena moral ji ki khui bai iwe custom jiwena kada national or younger generation youngster many of them idum we ngasan idum we culture aru tada kharali ka tada ki respect mira awoli anili abali singur jinaura le ka dasara kaji idum we cinema le chungha ma thaisle Tangkhul we cinema ne jika yarong ala like shi ji mera yaron na aru group salaga Korean fight salag ko khai ga tha hi ka tha na chung message jen custom culture hi tada in the midst of wholesome food idum table dining table leg sa tamli katong hai khami tada khui ga bai tada yaron la lai ga shi je da jangre idum custom na jangre idum tradition la je jangre jen jili khui ga bai je ka to we should incorporate jen film censor da lai jela hian gar jili censor ka sa kibangra jika this is affecting our moral this is affecting our tradition even culture idum ngasanli himsa bai ni jila censor la sa ina aja hang ngai ba if your cinema ga khanam ga ji rayang de le audience jidi cinema ji yang de le bing jidi dining table li hai mi gai thada adum na shai ngai ka pang ngai or wholesome food ji sam mang vai sam mi gi jen professional touch le ar in the hang de le ar hon dang hol cinema ka chung improvement la thaidle improvement jili hen made improve sabai make why hot na mi lo ji request sangai jen other lastly in the hang ngai ba he kata film fraternity alumni adam we dogra jin ili hang son de la idum hiwa adogra ba khiglo himachal we na khrad idum me Bollywood film li main role villain role khui gi ja sa thadai jin kibang sa average ga me iwa ar ga phung we na raho film fraternity along jilila support sa mi ghai ma le ma da iliba ka tom mi ghai ma le ma imang ma taw just what today in a healing a ding da la hiba iwi khigla jin iwi khot khnai na khangning ki pa ka support ma sa mi ne dang de ji hi ka we khigla nepotism favorism la lai rok jin ka aj Tangkhul ji tham lai sam because aj cinema actor being idum we khigla hidi chatak le ka chung ga financially idum we khigla track ham lai to the hili jigtha lam lai sa la pai da khui once higda Tangkhul film hi rai sangai re jigle de chila umta pabam re jena idum we society ga siam la higda association ga siam la khokha taking all along problem lai sala la idum we lungli achagum ina pausa ka chung kha hi Tangkhul film association ka siam li kya cha khon jan le ili la ra sa ji sala ga I maring pham hang lak se jiga third line hang I'm not really happy phanga thramang khale jiri la why so much problem kibang ni problem ko tong incorporate sara ko income pasa la ka to nga ji ngarum da chat khwai sa sek ji na thum le hangai ka ji ba if there is still such problems na thum ka to nga khayeng rok la ga cham nang rok la ga ya ta da chat ba khwai sami log ji in the request hangai jan hikda adam sam bang ring phala ke aru Tangkhul cinema hi ajo Manipuri cinema hi na hen ga na Kareli how pokle Tangkhul issue cinema khanam bing na aru Manipuri film li la atham na jon sai je pau sai ina lanthung jing li imphal le pam de le ga aru oja assurance long na idum de ralo cinema nam se ralo da idum de khog jin idum la ka ga jili thada kada hang what exactly film making is mathim ka phungjili ka laga khima mai ka athum na jiba yong lo ji ithum na yong mi ji ba sa lo ji ba sa mi ta sa de aru lan thung ji imphal lo lan thung ji ka phung aton ji sa sai wo jen hi tha da ka sai sang hai de but jadam ne mai te wi cinema Manipuri film hi ja ham re sang long sa azu just see compare the Adhum camera friendly kasa adhum rehearse thalai san le tui gham tui ji thada natural ongda or artificial sala an ma tui ge compose sa ge jilla adhum ina ongta me ji khayang le jen isi wi ya camera le ninga ka nervous kasa thada yang thada mi a khana ra jil hang thada dictate kasa thada ongta ji jen in the gang, let's be professional. Admi rayang dak leji atam spends halaga khiyang de. Taking out the time, valuable time ji spends halaga cinema hai khiyang nisla. Jili choice ji awi choice manjang sa to awi kile tada mathang simana ri ig sang da khoya re makhoi le ge hili kubao ge and na thumle ring phala ge hida da songai encourage sangai jenam thalan sa mi log ji hangai ja atui ma ga encourage sai ma pham ne jen gift la tra ga mi ya ajon jing ya ne isi siki lam le ni ji ki mai ga gift tra mi le e wa ki de envelope now hi mi jen hi president ji ne wa ra ga envelope now hi ra khu mi
Check. Ning shlagai de kya shikngi ajil we program hi we cast of honor Shri Leishio Keishing, who is the chairman of the Hill Area Committee, Government of Manipur, Nana Tangkhul Naga Film Association. We award ceremonially cast of honor Akasada Gatomi Gahai Nawi. Aman sakla kahaya tuye na tong som gesai korju bang Tangkhul Naga Film Association nala ningishi ki jumpo pongshok dalaye. We thank our guest of honor for his valuable speech, for encouraging us to promote professional filming, cinematography, and everything in this regard, for encouraging us to keep up with the culture and tradition in filming and all this. Thank you so much.
Followed by our functional president, Shri Kushim Bushung, MLA 45, Chirai AC.
As ishi you kangdena hi sa kamring pamre ka apong trakle itumi la lela film la ishi tangru hi ishi yu mang na meng la kangde cha yu trak ne yeng da krene na na da krene jada az hopong mi da kre kreli film le hopok mi bi lag sale keset nam sok krebi atumila notum ari khni topping na ari 2020 li da kreji krewi history ji notum ping roko kata ta hopok mi sakla ji notum na ji mam lai lo ina cinema Tangkhul i cinema ka gabli iba determining to the khayang ba number 1 ne manipuri li in ping ji matam gi Manipur black and white and kap sa ji idum actor ka kap ba khindi pasanda da an actor salaga ju atam jili matam gi Manipur ji black and white and kapsai jiwi thili itungi Tangkhuli I Malaysia ju malaki ju make history iwihina the subject to correction no tum samilo ina mamlaira de senmahi kibau wi kyon kla deep carbon jibingi trashikada ingda jan assurance and appraisal na horam one ji kisenma do assurance shiro lili mathak sangkade ani break in kyan gungui bome issue ga hitale jiwi jili ari hon mai pung production we jan khangde de lan kima mekla jan lace kima jan raimi kima mekla trak ari hon da thungli inga ka kreuli inga ka ma tham improve sa lagare issue with Tangkhul cinema hi kedeu ka yaru na ka tomi sponsorship jile osi ja ituma teleni lage itumne sada clipping ji no tumbing wi hi iam yang ai lage da kuye ara achak song baure cinema li ka phobing hi achak khantha khalam jang thadai thumne yingse cinema li yaron ma thai ji bing ka phob kala Tangkhul la yaron khantha bing na akhwa sala cha khum jang ne achak chak shimang na phawiye atamma kale ishi to insurance no achak li nga kiba yang ai re awila kiba ne na ai re kha achak ne ning no India lila film li iwili favorite actor nana particular achak chak shi ngahang ka shi sa ka shi ji iu favorite ne dan na seudin da akhle fe chak shi la khai the no thumui professionally ba achak na la maning mane achak chak shipping wang na thum wang year le bun da khani jana jili ki khaning ma tiolo kala achak ma cha thum quality and it mean safety hi ji lai sangai ka ka thumali as politics la for example USA li itum na Arnold Paul laga isna ngama je chi sa ara governor sala ka thadale South Indian li aru MCR ka tha chalalita Paul lag haya chimni sa sara khai bigi actor actress mane jana no thumla yaru we platform ta da khui yaru ne ka thesa mangin da thum masungda sai ga ba to thum than da ma thang da thum sa ma apong jili tha sam ra sare kala hita da na thumli Paul lag ne khwadam thana ishi pai rong ba shi ba aru actor actress being sa da kle lag sa bing je athuma service sa sadle ko maram ma athumli corporation of serving the teu da na thum na ka po ji thar na thumli la na thumli na thumgang room ni sa ge jine da na thum hi are mali sa cha da ma ninglo na thum ji ma thala profession ji tha da salo ji ji na thumli ji hangai ye ari khangde di ham khanga e bi la speech le da hita function speech ka chung hi lang na ning ka chaim le ne I tra ka ba ma tu ngai ye ka tam na me le thu da azil na thum ye sa ba shi da next river read how po kami pingdila sabai ka invite salo kala recollection of other days ki jimam la jili track reflex ai ka argon ni tor bina khele awo ai na kisa mi ai dale kala cso bini king jonai dale kala it use only king jonai dale kala ki jibaji malai la aru board jili ba tu kai ne isi Tangkhuli file mang wam ne hisi mang wam de ji in a crunching ji ne jana sabai ka no tum krewe actors pingla sabai ka tu mangai na like mangai na tum acknowledge sang ro ga ji atum la mam lai lo atum yan na tum la tam quick vai ta ga le sare ge ji in tum tong le hangai ye az hikta Tangkhul Naga film association li ishi mam lai lo ishi Tangkhul ba ka char ka sang ka cham le lim kho Tangkhul ja ka Tangkhul nei jana no tum bi no tum apam de da kai kan psychology bam dale kai kan issue criticism jang le kai kan kam chong bam dale kala bam de da sai ji la isi Tangkhul ba ayer le ya ko ka sala ko hili ungai ka isi Tangkhul ki sau le hili jibi ka le kai ka tha la association le da le no thum to nga lung le la music ma them ne no thum ma them ne I thum yu song ma them ne kala I thum 강대대 성 브레시 성으로 이 두미 그 가이 그 주블가 히다 닝리 레데 케지 아루 크미도 너 동 망하이나 소가 사바이지 히다 힐라 크라바이지 항달레 사바이 커너 tum film producer bi writer bi na sabai ka 아픈 돌이쇼나 강자다 렉슈 크전지바 마항을 아차고 아프릴 렉시널리 설카네 간도나 이나 리퀘스트가 빌상가 사바이가 이tum이 이tum이 이슈 송 유송이 마테메네 그라 아리 당루 프로블렘 아리 소사이티 프로블렘 키클라 지리 페이살가 필름이 남 소체자 때가 파비니까 대지바지 한국가 현당하게 닝실라가 이시 프레시던트 야가시 가로죠
Kyashi Kabaya Shri Functional President Shri Kushim Vashimna Tangkhul Naga Film Association Darkar Samigap Daklay Ningchuk Kala Kasat Kasang Psychology Ram Ningshik Hamidalay.
I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Awongbao Nyumai, Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change and Silviculture, Government of Manipur, to pronounce his speech.
Let me also speak in Tangkhul today. I hope everybody understands Tangkhul. My humble respect to the Honorable MLA, my elder brother, Kushim Bashum. My respect to my younger brother, Honorable Chairman of the Hill Area Committee, Manipur Legislative Assembly, who is also the guest of honor today. My respect to the Tangkhul Naga Film Association President and his colleagues, and my humble respect to all the veteran Tangkhul film artists, actors and actresses. My respect to the TNL and other organizations who are present here today. My humble respect to the honorable ADC members and all the distinguished guests who are here today. You know, I was surprised when my brother, my boy, called me up and he wanted me to meet the Tangkhul Film Association leaders. I thought he's never interested in film. But today I'm surprised to learn that he's also an actor who never appeared in a film. I would like to salute to the first Tangkhul film actor and actress, director, and all the artists who began the Tangkhul films. In every journey, there is always a starting point. And every journey, there is always a destination. Now we are on our journey. Today, as you organize this first Tangkhul Naga Film Awards, I wish to see a brief history who started the Tangkhul films and who are the veteran Tangkhul actors and actresses. I also wish to see some scene of the first film and the awards that the jury members have selected for this first Tangkhul Film Awards. As we are on our journey, I feel that you have leave all this for the next second Film Award programs. The tribals, especially the Nagas, were still behind compared to other communities in film or acting or whatever. But among the Nagas, Tangkhuls are the first who have started filming and seeing the films. I have also watched few Tangkhul films. I have never met, but I know him very well, my assurance, through his films. I have also seen few people in the films which I still remember, but I've never seen them. But I can see in my vision all those actors and actresses in whose film I have seen. Tangkhuls are blessed people. You are first among Nagas in many, many fields. Until today, Tangkhuls are leading our people in all aspects, including religion and in politics also. So we always look forward to the Tangkhul community to lead us, to show us the way. After Tangkhul film has been filmed and came out in public, other Naga communities, smaller communities also have started. You have again shown the way in the world of film also. One small advice I would like to give to the artists and of the people in the world will love to watch films, whatever films may be. Their lives may be different. You're going to take. Because you will be watched by the entire world. And they will love to see that you live up to what you have acted, what you have depicted through your films. We are disappointed when we heard that our favorite actor, actress, bad stories. We are disappointed when we heard that that actress had eloped, that actor have second wife, or that actor or actress have that or this. So this is one big challenge. And I also have seen that the biggest challenge or temptations comes to artists. Be a singer, be actor, be actress. We have some similarity, the politicians and the artists. We are also very often seen on the stage. So many people know us, but we don't know them. There are many people who follow us, whom we don't know also. So they also watch what we do and how we live. They are also disappointed when they heard about bad things about us. The same way, artists and actors, actresses, the biggest challenge will be this kind of temptations, which a human beings often falls into it. We look forward to the Tangkhul Film War to carry forward, improve in all aspects, and in the next Tangkhul Film Awards programs, I'm very sure that we will be seeing more beautiful things, more improved, like the Bollywood do, like the Hollywoods do. No matter how small we are, even though our community and even though the actors and actresses may not earn anything through films, you're showing the way to the people through your films. You are also leader who are leading the people through your films. You're also showing the way to the people how to live a good life. How our forefathers have lived and how we should live forward, how we should go forward. Your message is stronger than any powerful preacher's message through your films. So you are a preacher at one time, at the same time, not only an actor. You sow through your act, and preachers preach through their preachings. I don't think there will be any film which try to defeat to the people who wants to live bad life. Whatever may be, at the end of the story, you always try to show to the people that good is good, bad is bad. I wish all the Tangkhul actors and actresses, the directors, all the best, and I congratulate all those artists who have been selected in this historic first ever Tangkhul Film Awards winners. With this, I conclude my short speech. Thank you.
For your warm speech.
My Hashim told me, if you come up to this stage, there is fine. So I left without giving my fine. Please.
I would like to request our president to kindly take once again. Thank you so much on behalf of the organization, on behalf of the NFA, for coming over here and creating over the function, making the function a grand success. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Now, apart from the program mentioned here, we would like to add one program, that is TNFA would like to take some time to give out some appreciation and presentation to some of the dignitaries present here, some of the participants. So I would like to request our president to take the time.
First of all, I call up Mr. Tangkhul now for his special song. We want to appreciate him. We want to give him an envelope. Thank you. And secondly, Yershim Mungsek. You are the reason to make people, to keep people chill. And followed by juries, our juries. We want to give them an envelope So Sir Samson is not here. So I call up Sir Shanbam KYS. Leela. Okay. Sir Samson, please come and receive our thanks. Sir Samson. Share it. Chief Jury ne, Uja Samson ya. And then VR Wilson is not here. Tochang Shaiza, jury member. And then Jang Shanbam KYS. Please come. Jang Shanbam. And after this, DNFA wants to appreciate Singdai Mansingla for their consistency in filmmaking. So, my students, please come and get one memento from DNFA, memento of appreciation for your contribution in filmmaking. And secondly, Oja Ungting M series. So far, they have produced 32 movies. And Singdai Mansingla 16 movies. 16 movies. 32 movies M series and 16 movies Singdai Mansingla. Thank you everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time we all are waiting for, because the time has come for us to give the awards away. So here are the list.
Whoa! Here are the list for the titles to be given out in the DNFA Award 2020. First 4 will be distributed by our guest of honor, and the next 4 will be distributed by our functional president, and the last 4 will be presented or handed over by our chief guest. I would like to highlight the first 4 titles. First, Best Playback Singer in Male, and the second, Best Playback Singer Female. Third, Best Villain. Fourth, Best Supporting Actor.
And on the 5th, we have the Best Cinematography, followed by the Best Editing. We have the Best Producer and the Best Director. These are the 4 titles which will be given away by our functional president, Shri Kashim Vishum, MLA 45 Chingai AC.
And the last but not the least, the last 4 titles which is to be given out by our chief guest are Best Film, Best Story Writer, Best Actor Male, and the Best Actor Female.
Now, to give away this award, I would like to call upon our guest of honor to take the stage and kindly give away these awards. Playback singer title on female. May I call upon Nimshimpi Muiva, the winner of the Best Playback Singer.
Let's give a big round of applause for this young star female Best Playback Singer.
Nimshimpi Muiva for the movie Riley.
Next, we have the Best Playback Singer under male. He is Lenin Woleng. Let's give a big round of applause and welcome Mr. Lenin Woleng.
And the donors for this is Kushim Vishum Honorable 45 Chingai.
He holds this title from the movie Young Year One, We Say Ha. This title is from the movie Young Year One, We Say Ha.
In the next category, we have the Best Villain. And the Best Villain goes to Zion Pungshok from the movie Lan Ashi Yur. Let's welcome Zion Pungshok on stage.
And the prize is donated by our honorable member UATC, Mr. Kapangbam Zimik. This title goes to, once again, Mr. Zion Pungshok Lei. And we are also showing the video at the side here in the corner, left corner.
Ai, ara nam ngau la na sama ni sa ta pi ti la na pa ta ro ni. Phu na ga tha ni ili corona ga ti ma sa ka ni ni. Corona ga ga tha da ga gu la na thila.
That's the best villain in the video. Now in the next category of the Best Supporting Actor goes to Shaingam Kang from the movie Paichon.
And the award is donated by Mr. Sung Hashuo, Honorable Member UATC. Now we would like to request the Best Supporting Actor, Mr. Shaingam Naga. He holds this title from the movie Paichon.
Let's all give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. May I call upon Now may I call upon the functional president, Shri Kushim Vishum, on stage to give away the 4 next titles. The first title under him is the Best Cinematography.
And it goes to Raikan Chajo. Let's give a big round of applause to
From the
Mr.
movie
Raikan Chajo.
Mashimini Kapai Mayon. And this is donated by Kushim Vishum, MLA 45 China.
Once again, Mr. Raikan Chajo holds the title Best Cinematography from the movie Mashimini Kapai Mayon. Thank you.
ก็เลยถึงที่ได้บรรจุเพลงเรื่องนี้ทั้งกับมากให้ฟังวิดีให้นะมาชมวิดีไปเด็ดใช้สื่อภาษาหลักครอง
And the next title is the Best Editing. Under Best Editing, it goes to Bamshim Rungsung from the movie Lan Ashi Yur, the second title given for the movie Lan Ashi Yur. Bamshim Rungsung.
The prize is donated by Mr. Isaac, Honorable Vice Chairman UATC. He holds the title from the movie Nan Ashi Yu. Next title, we have Best Producer. The title Best Producer goes to Julius Casey. From the movie Raimi. This is Mr. Julius Casey. He holds the title Best Producer from the movie Raimi. And the prize is donated by B.L. Yinghor, Honorable MLA, Honorable Member UNGC.
The next title is Best Director, and the Best Director goes to Makanmi Ramror from the movie Mashitmi Me Kabai Mayon.
And the prize is donated by Mr. Bobby Bashum, Honorable E.M. UATC. This is Mr. Makandi Ragor. He holds the title Best Director from the movie Mashimit Kapai Maiwan. Thank you so much, Mr. Makandi Ragor. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much to our functional president. Now, I would like to request our honorable chief guest on the stage and give away the remaining four prizes. The title, Best Film. The best film after a long jury board meeting goes to Peichon. The best film goes to Peichon.
And this is donated by Totrichan Zero, social worker.
Tula, mina yang hali mamdan, iwi magsaki sinay, iwi wakada, dali minang tayo kuligay, iwi ning jamana. Inani, jangat day sing sawita, inaling layaw ka, kala dingkat na sa daw ka. Lahat dito ini lesa, mangrewo weekend.
Yeah, this is a member from the movie Patreon, and they hold the title Best Film. The name of the movie is Patreon.
In the next title,
Tula, mina yang hali mamdan, iwi magsaki sinay, iwi wakada, dali minang tayo kuligay, iwi ning jamana. Inani, jangat day sing sawita, inaling layaw ka, kala dingkat na sa daw ka. Lahat dito ini lesa, mangrewo weekend.
the next title is The Best Story Writer, and that goes to Chingya Chawung from the movie Young Year One Way Say How. The best story writer goes to Chingya Chawung from the movie Young Year One Way Say How.
The prize is donated by Ramshan Kaputang Honorable EMUATC. Jingya Jaum holds the title Best Story Writer, and this is from the movie Young Year One We Say Ha.
Psychology in high. None of it is a hamshop. You will work my support a high ladder. You will be a cutting suck powder in a leadership.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are just left with two titles, and the two titles are the Best Actor and the Best Actress. In the 11th title, we have the Best Actor, which goes to Kavangbam Mahung from the movie Lan Ashi Yer.
And the prize is donated by Dr. Yaronsho Malung, Honorable Chairman, UATC. This is Mr. Kavangbam Mahung, and he holds the title Best Actor in Male from the movie Lei Lan Ashi Yer.
Long live new generation Naga.
너희 가보지나 나가지 이유야 식사.
Ladies and gentlemen, the last title this afternoon, the Best Actress goes to Angel Shimra from the movie Young Year One We Say How. The Best Actress goes to Angel Shimra from the movie Young Year One We Say How.
And the prize is donated by Akui L. Shimre, Manager, MS BTCL, Ukru Subdivision. This is Miss Angel Shimra holding the title Best Actor Female from the movie Young Year One We Say Ha.
Thank you so much. From Tangkhul Naga Film Association, Vice President, followed by benediction by the President Tangkhul Shinalong. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a round of applause for all the artists who have won the award today. Let's all give a round of applause for that. Thank you. I now would like to give the time to our TNFA Vice President for the word of gratitude, which will be followed by benediction from the President Tangkhul Shinalong.
Just before that, we would also like to acknowledge a very important film that has won the Manipur Film Fest Tribal Dialect just previous year with the movie Thum Kahai Lan. So I would like to request our actor Oja from Jing Diamond Singna Production to be on the stage and show your appearance, show your faces to the crowd. We would like to acknowledge the director to be on the stage. Thank you so much. This is the director of Jing Diamond Singna from the movie Thum Kahai Lan. They have won the Manipur Film Fest Tribal Dialect last year in the festival, Manipur Film Festival. Thank you so much, Mr. Assurance Raikhan. Now moving on to the next, we have a word of gratitude from the Vice President, DNFA, Mr. Mayangam Pungshok. You may take your time.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of Jennifer, would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest of honor, functional president, for spending your precious and valuable time to make this Jennifer Award 2020 a successful one. Secondly, we also would like to thank our hosts, presentees, and the crowd here on this very special day of Jennifer Award 2020. And thirdly, we would like to express our heartfelt thanks to all those who have contributed financially, physically, and morally. The success of this Jennifer Award 2020 has made a memorable and an acceptable history, and this is what because of your cooperation, concern, care, and love. We are looking forward to your love, care, cooperation, and concern even in the days to come. Let all the glory, honor, and praise be our God for His existential grace and mercy. Thank you and safe home. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President Mayangam Pungshok, for your words of gratitude. We would like to now call upon Ma'am Margaret to pronounce benediction.
Kasing ramli khlaya itum saikor wi gisa pawribra ogathili nawi sang sak ngai wi lungli kalan nawi ning chang lungli mikumo itum saikor li sak mai ngating ngatai de sem ta mi hai laga itum le na nawi ning chang talent ngatai de rom hung laga chi pun mi laga ogathili horai sa fa vibra itumli opportunity chokra hi nan mi ga ya talent ji sing laga no we ring sakangai no we ning jang lung le ring lo de itum sai ko really ka sokra ne ajin matai la kaina Tangkhul li ram ni lai da khaleya no we now ra kai khali film industry we feel li nana ring lo da athum bi otpam hili jipam mi da ring sak da athum ngi chai li bri ra ka jik tha kai khana ning sang la kai na matha la kai na ning yang la kai na nana mi gai talent ji shijin laga ot sa khara manga ai na mai khaya sam ka phang simi sho hi acha sam phang sak da le ye sa fa ra ra ga zip khai thum sai ko rali phaning ga khuya machut ga khuya simi shong sang sak ni lo nana ogatwi li ji ho khara hi ya ithum ga ji bali nana mi khai talent ji shijin laga nana sang sak ngai ji sa laga ka pha khama tha khama shu lung le ok thwi laga khana was mi surely itum sai ko rali hi tha saman mi ra gi ji ama ha ne gi ji itum ni machut khing sa mi da itum na ring wa gi da khle mi ren bing li pha khama ya mashung khama ya ka shung khama mi ren ji ring mang sa mi lo da sia sa da bo ne kalak sa wa bi ra at si mi shom ma dai la gai na film industry li nganing da khle ya no now ra bin li shi jin mi lo atum we ai na mi ping na khamatha kapha tam khui ka shaba kala athum na la nana mi khai talent hi sing laga mi bing li khamashung khamatha ring ji thei lagra kala athum we na mi bing na ka ka shung mi rin kala ka pha mi rin ji shi khui khawai ji shut ka shaba mi ang sang sang mi lo da hi bang na sia sa da ko ne aj saman community program itum ko sangai re itum sai ko rali no we saw me ji rom mi da ji ho mi li shit lo da itum we wang na ti khmia proach Christo ming sing da sia sa da ko ne no ming na re me ka bruno amen.
Thank you so much to the Vice President. It's TNFA official and our Facebook is TNFA Ukrum.